A very good morning, my dear children. How are you all? I hope you all are well. I am your Khushbu ma'am. Zoo. You know what? I was trying to fly like a bird. I know you all must be thinking that how can ma'am fly? She is not having wings like a bird to fly. Today I have something to show you. How can we fly? As you already know that there are three types of transportation. Vehicles which move on land यानी ज़मीन पर चलने वाले vehicles. Vehicles which move on water यानी पानी पर तैरने वाले vehicles and vehicles which move in air यानी हवा में उड़ने वाले vehicles. You already have learnt about vehicles which move on land. So let's revise them and then I will teach you about vehicles which move in air यानी हवा में उड़ने वाले vehicles. This is a bicycle. This is a car. This is a jeep. This is a truck. This is a motorbike. This is a scooter. This is a tonga. This is a tractor. This is a bullock cart. Now we are going to learn about air vehicles यानी हवा में उड़ने वाले vehicles. Children, this is an aeroplane. An aeroplane has two wings and it is used to travel from one country to another country. It carries large amount of people from one place to another place. It is the fastest means of transport. यानी सबसे फास्ट चलने वाला व्हीकल है. This is a helicopter. Helicopter has a rotor on its top. यानी कि रोटर यानी आपको हेलीकॉप्टर के ऊपर दिख रहा है ना जो फैन, उसको रोटर बोलते हैं. It can carry only few people in it. Now this is a hot air balloon. It looks like a normal balloon but is huge in size. It has basket under it which is used to carry people in it. यानी हॉट एयर बलून के नीचे एक बास्केट होता है जिसके अंदर हम बैठ सकते हैं. This is a rocket. Rockets are used to launch spacecraft. This is a fighter plane. Fighter plane में हमारे सोल्जर्स बैठते हैं. बच्चों, सोल्जर्स यानी हमारे देश के सैनिक जो हमारे देश की रक्षा करते हैं. Now it's time for an activity. So children, today we are going to make an aeroplane with the use of following materials. We need colorful craft papers, Fevicol and marker pen. Let's start. First of all, we will take an oval shape. Look children. Now we will take triangle shape paper. Look children, and apply Fevicol on it like this, and Stick it here. Look, children. Stick it properly. And I have few circle shapes. We will stick circles one by one and make windows of an aeroplane. Look, children, we will stick circle shape like this. Yes. Now ये देखो, मैंने एक ओवल शेप लिया था और उसको बीच में से कट कर दिया था और एरोप्लेन की विंग्स बनाई। देखो तो आपको भी ऐसे ओवल शेप को बीच में से कट करना है। नाउ वी विल अप्लाई फेविकॉल and stick it here like this. Now take another piece and stick it on the opposite side like this. Now we will draw a curve line Look, children. Yes, like this. Now we will take one more circle shape and apply Fevicol on it. Stick it here. Yes. Look, children. Our aeroplane is ready. You can do it at your home with the help of your parent. Now, ma'am will give you practice worksheet. Let's see the worksheet. Children, in this worksheet, you have to identify and circle the pictures of vehicles which move in air. बच्चों, इस वर्कशीट में आपको हवा में उड़ने वाले व्हीकल को पहचानना है और सर्कल करना है। बाय बाय, हैव अ नाइस डे, थैंक यू।